Hi, my name is Abhilasha and I'm here to share with you few facts about space. Here we go. The solar system. Our solar system consists of the sun, the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Dwarf planets such as Pluto, dozens of moons and millions of asteroids, comets and meteoroids. The Sun. The central star of our solar system is a huge burning ball of gas, 150 million kilometers, 93 million miles away from us. It generates huge amounts of energy inside its core. The name of our sun is Sol. The planets. Mercury is the smallest planet. It is also the closest planet to the sun. So we always see it near the sun in the sky. This makes it very hard to see except at sunrise or sunset because it is hidden by the sun's glare. Mercury has no moons and it is too small to hold on to any atmosphere. Venus. Venus is the most similar planet in the solar system to Earth. Both planets are similar in size, mass, and composition. However, Venus has no water or life and is covered with a very thick, suffocating atmosphere. Earth. We live in Earth. Earth is our planet. 70% of Earth is covered with water and 30% is covered with land. This tells us that Earth has more water than land. Till now, we consider Earth as the only planet with life. It is a perfect place for human beings to live. Long ago, Earth was violet. It also had two moons. One was Luna and the second one was extremely smaller than Luna. It went away because it collided with Luna. In 2020, we had a second moon. It was an asteroid. It was discovered on September 17, 2020 and left Earth's orbit on March 2021. Earth is also called the blue planet. One reason for which it has life is that it is in the Goldilocks zone, not too far from Sun. If it would have been like Venus or Mars, then we would burn or freeze. Mars. After Earth, Mars is the most suitable planet for humans to live in. Its day is only a little over 24 hours long and it has Earth-like seasons. Mars was named after the Roman god of war because of its blood red color, which is caused by rusty iron-rich rocks. In 1996, microscopic structures, which might be fossils of microviruses, were found. Jupiter. Jupiter is the king of the planets. This huge world has more than 2.5 times the mass of all the other planets combined. Around 1,300 Earths would fit inside this giant world, but because it is mainly made up of light gases, Jupiter weighs only 318 times as much as Earth. Saturn. The second largest planet and sixth planet from the Sun. Saturn is the most distant planet we can see without a telescope. It's visible for about 10 months of the year and is surrounded by an amazing series of rings. But you will need a telescope to see them. Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet and the seventh planet from the Sun. At this distance, it receives little heat or light from the sun. So cloud tops are extremely cold. Each orbit around the sun takes 84 Earth years. So birthdays on Uranus are extremely rare. Neptune, the eighth planet from the sun. Neptune is an icy giant 54 times the size of Earth, but only 17 times heavier. It is an extremely cold, dark world 30 times farther from the sun than Earth. It receives 900 times less light and heat than Earth. Pluto. Pluto used to be known as the smallest and the farthest of the planets. In 2006, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet because of its small size and weak gravity. Everything we know about Pluto has been detected by observatories on or near Earth. Pluto is known as a dwarf planet because it's smaller than any other planet, even smaller than our own moon. It is dense and rocky like the terrestrial planets such as Mercury, Earth, Venus, and Mars. Pluto's orbit is erratic. One of its moons, Charon, is about half Pluto's size. Many mysteries remain. Moon or Luna. A full moon is the second brightest object in the sky after the sun. The moon's name is Luna. Our moon was humankind's first destination in space, but only 12 people have ever walked on its surface. The first person to land on moon was Neil Armstrong. Asteroids. For thousands of years, there were 6 recognized planets, including Earth, in the solar system. No one dreamt that there were any worlds beyond Saturn, but there were suggestions that something existed between Mars and Jupiter, rather than a single planet. Many thousands of rocky objects have since been discovered. These are asteroids. An asteroid belt, which exists between Mars and Jupiter, contains thousands of rocky and metallic bodies which orbit the Sun. These little worlds are also called minor planets. Comets. Every now and then, a strange object with a wispy tail appears in the night sky. This is a comet, a large lump of dust and ice a few kilometers long, hurtling towards the Sun. There are billions of comets circling the Sun, far beyond the orbit of Pluto. When comets are frozen, they're the size of a small town. Meteoroids. Look up into the night sky and you might just see a brief trail of light left by a meteoroid, also called shooting stars. Meteoroids appear without warning and usually last less than a second. They are particles of dust that burn up as they hit the upper atmosphere at high speed around 54,000 km per hour. So this is all for this video. Stay tuned for the next. Thank you. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Like and don't forget to share this video.